Shut the fuck up. Dumb nigga, I'm going to jail with all white bitches. Dumb.
Elena? Alana? How you say your name? Tracy? What's her name?
What's your last name?
Elena?
Is Elena here?
Oh, they just want the channel.
She went to channel.
Did they walk?
Yeah, they was walking.
What's she wearing?
One had pink on, and then one got blue on. Yeah, one got blue on.
You got your ID on you?
You know the bad name?
You don't?
I think that's his.
No. You got anything that says your name?
Bro, this beat is from his beat.
You got purse on you.
Huh?
What's wrong with your purse? Oh.
In Summit County, Ohio, a routine warrant check ended with a young mother in handcuffs. Officers believe she matched the description of a wanted person nearby. Under Terry versus Ohio, a brief stop is constitutional when officers have reasonable suspicion. She offered a name, Elena, but it was not her own. It was her sister's.
Yeah, but they went to Channelwood. That's all y'all gotta do is drive around Channelwood.
Do you have an ID? Have you ever had an Ohio ID? You've never had an identification card? You've never had a license? How old are you? What?
King Henry David 5158 on a blue Honda Accord.
You know your social? You don't know your social?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's cold. My nose hurt. I ain't gonna lie, my nose really do hurt. Like, I ain't gonna fake it. You gonna start hanging out here.
You don't have an ID in your purse? You mind if I look?
Copy 1709.
Do you mind taking it off? I don't want it. You can give it to her.
I don't have nothing in there at all.
You got a purse with nothing in it?
I mean, purses is for fashion.
Oh, just for fashion.
That's it.
1549.
Where you stay at?
Oh, you weren't kidding. There's like nothing in here. Yeah, I don't keep my purse like that.
Yeah, they the ones who came up here and told me that they were putting away.
You got your phone on you? You know McDonald's all your friends, you want an ID or your phone on you?
My phone is broke.
Your phone's broke?
Yeah, our phone been broke. Bro, we all looking bad right now. None of us got a phone. My phone been broke for months. My phone's not broke.
Well, it is, but because we ain't got no phones, that don't mean that. We still be getting around. Yeah, you got budget, bro.
What?
Why y'all
What's going on, right? How's yours?
on the ground while y'all
I'm 5
fighting,
foot.
too.
So I'm like 5'3".
Yeah, you're like telling me.
You don't like her?
Hey, there you go.
I don't know how tall I am.
Y'all think I'll be telling y'all this?
No, now she might be. Now she
Yeah.
like. I'm like
I
5.
don't like her.
Did you call
Maybe
us?
like 5'3", 5'4".
called y'all.
I don't know, someone called us. But you kind of look like her, so that's why we're trying to ID you. Is that fair?
But that girl is way bigger than you.
Big as hell.
Oh, yeah, she is.
You talk about the girl that Day's sister.
No, we talking about the one.
Wawa's sister, the one that tried to say
No,
she
we're not
pressed you.
talking about her.
Oh, then
We're
who?
talking about her name Elena, but she literally she like this and she thicker in the thighs, like. But her head shaped like a box. Like
That's me.
I don't care. My nose hurt.
You say you got Facebook? Spell your name again.
Bro, I'm about to get mom to send me $5 so I can get a $5 meal, bro. You fat, bro. Like,
Mom is not sending you $5.
what did I do today? Nothing. Exactly. I'm not fat. Bro, look how ashy my hands is. That's what you get for washing your hands at school.
That's what you get for washing your hands at school, like.
I ain't had no lotion on. I ain't bring no
You got nothing with your name on it?
Come on, take it. For what?
Wait, what y'all doing?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. What's happening?
What y'all doing?
She's got warrants, okay? Do we have to explain any more than that? For what? Because she's got warrants. I mean, that's kind of what you do, you know.
Call her and tell her. Why you lying? I need my phone too.
Under Ohio, Revised Code Section 2921.13, that is falsification, a misdemeanor, and under Section 2921.31, also obstructing official business. This is the exposure she created the moment she gave a false name. Once warrants were confirmed, officers conducted a search incident to arrest, lawful under United States versus Robinson. She became verbally combative. None of that, on its own, is criminal, protected under the First Amendment.
It's my phone.
Do they have your wallet too?
Like, bro, this is dumb as She did right. They put their name up. Yeah, they got computers in that car, you dummy.
We put it in our cruiser.
Anything else you need?
Okay. I'm gonna have you stand right here. Okay? No, face the car, please. Face the car.
Don't chase me around. What are you talking about?
Are you gonna,
Stop talking to me.
well, you just lied to us, so you kind of know the charge anyway. So you're gonna keep charges.
I don't give a no charges. Not spraying my feet, dumbass. Get the off my feet. Yo, get the off of me, bro. Before I spit on you. What are you talking about? Get your motherfucking hand on my face. Get the on my face then. What you talking about?
Nothing in
I
pockets.
don't have. The don't you get? Get the off of me. I don't have. You just check me, bro. You about to piss me off, bro.
I can't reach your other side.
You
If
just
you
check
want
me.
I got it.
You just check me, bro. You just check me. I don't
I
have.
know, but I gotta check all your
man,
pockets.
you just check me. I got
Okay.
2 pockets. Get the off of me. You dumbass.
She's-
Shut the up. Dumb, man. I'm going to jail with all white Duh. I don't give a dumbass.
Alright. You guys are good to go. Anything? Nope.
Let's go somewhere else.
Yeah, take them something. I'm cool with that. Alright.
So how did y'all just come and see me? I mean, how did y'all just come and ask me my name? What just made y'all do that? Huh? Can you tell me what I got a warrant for?
What you say?
Can you tell me what I got a warrant for?
Well, you're gonna get an extra charge for lying to us now, so you're gonna have multiple.
Oh my god, what the bro?
Well, you probably shouldn't lie.
Bro, I got damn, can y'all what the bro?
89.
So you still didn't tell me what I got a warrant for.
I'll tell you in a minute.
89.
Bro, I got enough charges, bro. What the damn, another charge, bro. I got enough charges, bro. What the
Well, maybe you should stop lying.
y'all gotta give me another charge.
You lied about your name multiple times.
I'm sorry, bro. I got like
You
damn.
always be lying about your name.
No, I don't. I never got caught by y'all before to lie about my name.
Well, you got caught today.
No, y'all gotta give me another charge. Like I got enough. I got a newborn baby.
Well, yeah, you lied. So How many warrants you got, Elena? Be honest with me.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
Because I think you got hella warrants.
Can y'all please spare me on this charge though? Like, bro, I got 2 babies. I don't need no new charge, bro.
Why did you lie about your name?
I was scared, bro. Honestly, I was scared. I knew I had a warrant. I was scared. I don't know what else to say. I was scared. I had a newborn baby. I just had my baby. I wasn't trying to go to jail. I'm breastfeeding a newborn. I wasn't trying to go to jail, honestly. Can I call my mom?
14.
We'll see.
Okay, copy.
You can call her when you get to the county.
Check your report number.
So what's the charge?
Ending mileage is going to be 53.9.
Copy. From that,
I don't have, bro. I don't have at all. I don't.
Copy,
Like,
thank you.
Okay.
I don't have.
Okay.
Oh my God. They don't tell y'all how many warrants I got? Huh?
Copy.
What?
They don't tell y'all how many warrants I got?
It shows us some of them, but sometimes we can't always see all of them.
What do it say?
I'm waiting to hear back right now.
20 closer to the Odom or Everton.
Can you tell me where I got warrants at?
Where?
Yeah.
Like out of?
Yeah.
This one says out of Summit. So from here.
Where's the other ones?
I'm not sure. It shows me the first one on here. I'm waiting to hear back.
So here's what's going on. Do you want to talk to me about what's going on? Okay. So, my partner wasn't happy with the search we were able to do because you were kind of being a problem. Is that fair to say? So now we're going to take you out and search you again, okay? Is there anything on you at all?
I don't have nothing.
Okay. Are you going to give us a problem
No.
if we go to search you? Okay. Do you have anything on under that jacket or no?
A shirt
A shirt?
and a bra.
Okay. Because my partner's a female, she's going to be the one that searches you. Why did you lie about your name?
I told you because I was scared. I have a newborn baby and I just had my baby. I'm breastfeeding. I didn't want to go to jail. I honestly don't have no other reason why I lied. I just didn't want to go to jail because I have a newborn. I have a 2-year-old and a newborn. I'm scared, honestly. I was scared to go to jail. That's my honest answer. I don't have.
Whose name did you give us? Was that a fake name or was it someone you know's name?
My sister.
It was your sister's name? Okay. Was it your sister's birthday? Okay. It was all your sister's info? Okay. Okay.
Cool.
So I'm letting you right now.
I'm just was mad, bro.
I'm letting you right now. If you give us problems, you're gonna get another charge.
So what are we waiting on?
I'm just waiting to hear back from our people that tell us about like warrants and all that. Take them on. Alright, I'm gonna have you take a step out. And I'm gonna have you step back here. Alright. And then I'm gonna have you face the car for me. Alright. And then I'm just gonna search you again. I know my partner already talked to you about it.
Cappy? Okay. You throw it back in.
Okay.
So I can't make a phone call real quick because my kids is going.
I know, not right now. Like my partner said, you can do it at the county.
Excuse me.
Yes.
If I can't call my mom, can y'all at least call her because she gotta go to work and she got my babies.
So.
And she probably just wondering where I'm at. At least want to let her know so she could call her job and tell them like.
Copy.
So y'all at least let her know what's going on so she can tell her job.
As soon as you get booked, they'll let you call your mom.
Oh my god, bro, that's a long ass time. She probably wondering where the I'm at.
What we were checking was to see if she could get felony obstruction because since it was for a felony.
Right.
So I'm about to get another felony?
No, you're getting 2 misdemeanors. Which, looking at how many warrants you have is the least of your problems.
How do I get 2 charges?
Obstruction and misrep. Obstruction of official business because you lied to us, and misrep because you gave us a false name. How many felony warrants were you aware that you had?
1.
That's all you knew about was 1? Which one do you know about?
For the gun case.
For the shooting in a habitation?
Need to be. This been going on since 2021. I'm confused. Like,
The warrant?
no, the case, period. I just got out of jail in March for this.
You had all these new charges since March?
No, I've been hot, bro. I don't know how to explain it. I got this charge in 2021. I was catching charges in between this time. I didn't get caught until this year. So I had a warrant since 2021. And then I just got caught this year. And then I went to all these jails, and I went to the jail, and then again.
Why don't you just stop committing crimes?
I don't commit crimes. All this is old. Even the new charges is from 2022.
The gun charge? The shooting?
The gun charge is from 2021. They keep prolonging my court day and keep, like, I don't know.
She was told she had a 2021 felony warrant for shooting at a habitation, 2 to 8 years in prison, plus 2 new misdemeanors from this encounter, the least of her problems, as one officer put it. The officers receive a B-, lawful procedure, but tone at times confrontational. The subject receives a D. A false name turned 1 arrest into 3 charges and exposed her sister to liability. Now, the lessons. 1. Lying to police costs more than silence. A real name produces 1 arrest. A false name produces 3. 2. Never use a family member's identity. That is identity fraud, a separate felony under Section 2913.49. 3. Active warrants do not expire. Every police contact is a moment that warrant can surface. 4. In Ohio, only real name, address, and date of birth are required. Beyond that, silence. 5. The street is not where you win an argument with police. The courtroom is. 6. Fear is not a defense. If you know you have a warrant, retain counsel and surrender on your terms. Thank you for watching. Check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police and courtroom analysis.